Dear viewers, I have $1 million question, and that is, how do you treat the most precious gift of Almighty? And that gift is our parents. Indeed, it is a priceless gift that we received from our Creator, from Almighty, because their love is unconditional. Our parents' love is 200% genuine, and they are our well wishers in true sense. Whatever they do just for our betterment and for our happiness. They have already given so many sacrifices, it's not possible for us to count their sacrifices. They have already done so many things for us. We might not be knowing then how much they have done for us. We know that they are there for us. But question is that how do we treat these precious gift of Almighty? You can put your hand on your heart and you can ask to yourself these simple questions, that do you treat them properly? Are you giving them enough amount of respect? Are you taking care of them? Are you sparing time for them? Are you giving undivided attention to them? Are you spending quality time with them? And are you loving them as much as they are loving you? Most probably no, because the love of parents is unconditional. Whether you will do something for them or not, they will just bless you, they will just love you from the core of their hearts. Their love is unmatched. My dear viewers, I am telling you from my experience that it's not possible to get success without their blessings. And even though if you are getting success and if your relationship with your parents is not as it should be, then your success is meaningless. Constantly you should seek their blessings. And if you have not realized that what is their importance in your life, then you must ask to those people who have lost one of them or both of them. Believe me, their life is as dark as sky without the stars and the moon. Yes, you should ask some of them, and then after you will understand, you will realize that what is the importance of our parents in our life. But we often forget, and today's young generation often forgets that what is their sacrifices, what they have done for them, and very often they raise voice against their parents, against those people who have taught them how to speak. When they are capable enough to stand on their feet, they forget everything and they think that we are independent and it is our life and we should not be under the control and command of anyone. Very often they disobey their parents, very often they try to cheat their parents, very often they break the trust of their parents. If you don't have good relation with your parents, if you are not seeking their blessings, if you are not keeping them happy, believe me, God will not help you. And if God is not helping you, how can you get the success? Because we experience the success because of two things. First, our hard work, and second, God's help. If God will not help you, do you think you can get the opportunity or you can exploit the available opportunity? I don't think so. Now, second question is that how to seek the blessings of your parents and what you should do being a good daughter and good son to make them happy. That I am going to cover in the next video 110%. Let me ask you one more question. Third question, that who will love you like your parents? Think about it and please try to understand their importance. Try to realize their value in your life before you lose one of them or both of them. Still, it is not too late. बाजार में बड़ी आसानी से मिल जाता है सब कुछ. बाजार में बड़ी आसानी से मिल जाता है सब कुछ, लेकिन ना तो माँ जैसी जन्नत मिलती है और ना बाप जैसा साया. Do you want to know what is the status of mother? The God has kept paradise under her feet. God has kept paradise under her feet. So we should kiss the feet of our mother. We should kiss the feet of our mother. I hope you are going to kiss the feet of your mother and you will constantly try to seek their blessings and you will try to make them happy as much as possible. Believe me, your life will change and you will reach at the pinnacle of success. Thank you for watching this video. Please take care of yourself and stay blessed.